All right, guys. Rule number one: smoking some meat. Gotta have a clean grill. No better, safer way to do that than with the Grill Rescue brush. Grill Rescue. It's a pad, kind of made out of the old fire hose material. It soaks up water. You got a scraper in, get any big stuff. Otherwise, otherwise, just soak this sucker up and watch it sizzle. Can't go wrong. Detachable, able to order new heads on Amazon. Worth every penny. The pit boss thanks it. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe if you like everything you see here. Thanks, people.